sure. One. So, do you want to put your fingers into?
Okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to Manjulations. My name is Manjula.
And I'm Michaela.
Today we are going to show you how to make the most easiest, only 4 ingredient pasta recipe.
Guys, this is a very easy and fun recipe and I hope you follow along.
We like to make the dough on the bench top. Starting off with the flour. Yeah. More. And now the next part is to make a well in the middle. So we're gonna make a little well. Now we're gonna crack the eggs all into this well.
Here you go.
Okay, thank you.
Should I help?
Yeah, sure. So 1,
2.
2. Yeah, just take the.
One more egg.
That's it. Tie shell. It's okay. Good. So the third one.
And 4. This one is a long shell stuffing.
Good.
Okay, nice and gooey.
You're gonna add a bit of salt. And the last ingredient is the olive oil. Do you want this pouring?
Yes.
And now we are going to knead the dough. Okay, so do you want to put your fingers into?
Okay.
So first we just crack the eggs.
Now smash the
The
egg.
yolks, yeah, you smash it.
Gooey.
Okay. Now what we're trying to do is we're trying to incorporate the flour into the egg mixture and knead it.
Oh.
Get in there.
I'm gonna knead it really well
Yes.
and take all the egg yolk. Getting doughy.
Just mix really, really well. This is a really fun activity to do with your children.
She's right. This is going out well.
The dough is coming together. So the leftover dough. Need a bit of water.
I'll gather some for you.
Please, thank you. So if you have leftover dough pieces, always add a little bit of water, just a splash, and try to incorporate with the big dough. Alright guys, the dough is done. As you guys can see, it's not a very nice smooth looking dough, but after you take it out from the fridge in 30 minutes, it will be nice and smooth. So I'm going to cling wrap this and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes to 1 hour. I took the dough out from the fridge. It has been resting for about 30 to 40 minutes. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to unwrap it. So this is a big dough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this into 4 pieces so it's easy to work with. You're going to cut into 4 pieces? Yeah?
Okay.
Cut in half.
This is harder than I expected.
Okay. And then this way. Okay, thank you. Now we have cut the dough into 4 pieces. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one piece, it's easy to work with, and I'm going to just put the rest in the cling film and we're going to wrap it. Do you want to do that?
Sure.
I'm going to lightly flour the work surface. Flour the rolling pin. so it does not stick to the rolling pin. Now I'm gonna roll this dough into a very thin sheet. The thinner the better. Once the dough has been rolled out, you fold it over several times. So you just roll over.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut them into thin strips. I would say about 1/4 of an inch. So we're gonna go like the rest.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very careful.
Yeah. Be careful with the knives, guys. It's a little bit and it's yeah. Good. Now we have cut them into tiny strips. Now it's time to unroll them. So just basically, gonna do this.
Sure.
Just gently. Look at this, guys. It's very important when you roll the dough and when you fold the dough, just add the flour. It will help you to just loosen the pasta strips very easily. Because as you guys can see, it does not stick. Look at this. Can you believe? Homemade pasta without any fancy equipment.
How cool is
Look at
that?
this. Doesn't stick together. It nicely falls down.
Okay guys, the pasta is ready. You can use your very own pasta sauce and make it however you like. Thanks for watching.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.
And I hope you subscribe and do like our video.
I'll see you soon with another great recipe.
Bye.
Bye for now.